Welcome back to Speak English Fluently Now, the podcast that helps you speak English the way real people actually speak it. I'm Aria, and if this is your first time here, hey, we are so glad you found us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
Today's topic is one of the most confusing things for English learners, and honestly, even some advanced speakers get this wrong.
Okay, now I'm nervous. What is it?
Past simple versus present perfect. You know, should you say, I went to Paris, or I have been to Paris? Should you say, did you eat lunch, or have you eaten lunch? These choices matter, and today we're going to make it so clear that you'll never feel confused again.
Okay, I feel like I already mess this up every single day. Like last week, someone asked me if I finished the report and I just stared at them.
Ha, that's exactly the kind of moment we're fixing today. All right, picture this. You're at the office, your manager walks over and asks, have you sent the email? And you think, wait, do I say, yes, I sent it, or yes, I have sent it? Both feel kind of right, don't they?
Yes, that's literally me every morning.
Well, by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which one to use and why. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, use past simple when you know exactly when something happened. If there is a specific time, yesterday, last week, in 2019, at 3 p.m., use past simple. The time is finished, it's done. It's in the past, and it's closed.
Okay, so like it happened at a specific moment and now that moment is gone.
Exactly. Listen to these examples. I visited my grandmother last Sunday. She called me at 7 in the morning. We moved to this apartment 3 years ago. You see the pattern? Last Sunday, at 7, 3 years ago. Those are all time markers that tell you use past simple.
Okay, let me try. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. this morning.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Specific time, past simple. Remember this. If you can answer when with the clear time, use past simple. That's your memory tip for this rule. Rule number 2, use present perfect when the time is not important or not known. You're talking about an experience in your life, but you're not saying exactly when it happened.
So I don't need to know when, just thought it happened at some point.
Yes. Listen, I have tried sushi before. She has lived in 3 different countries. We have seen that movie already. Notice, no specific time. I'm not saying when I tried sushi. I'm just saying it's part of my experience. It happens somewhere in my life.
Okay, so I have been to Dubai because I don't need to say when.
Brilliant. That's a great example. Memory tip. If you're talking about your life experience and when is not important, go with present perfect. Rule number 3. Use present perfect when something just happened and it's connected to right now. This is very common in daily conversation. The action is recent and it still affects the present moment.
Wait, so it happened in the past, but it still matters now?
Exactly. Here are some great examples. I've just finished the report, meaning I finished it a moment ago and it's ready now. She has broken her phone, meaning it happened and it's still broken right now. They have arrived at the hotel, meaning they just got there and they're there now.
Oh, so like I've just made coffee. Do you want some? Because the coffee is still there. It still matters.
Perfect, Jack. You nailed it. Memory tip. Words like just, already, and yet are big clues. If you see them, think present perfect. Rule number 4. Use present perfect with ever and never for life experiences. This is very common in conversation, especially when you're meeting someone new or asking about their experiences.
Oh, I love those questions. Like, have you ever been skydiving?
Yes, exactly like that. Have you ever tried Korean food? I have never seen snow in my life. Has she ever worked abroad? These questions are about the whole of someone's life, from the past until now. No specific time. Use present perfect. Have you ever eaten mango pickle? That's my question for everyone. Ha! Love it. And yes, grammatically perfect. Memory tip. Ever and never are your signals. See them? Use present perfect. Always. Now, here's a quick pronunciation tip that'll make you sound much more natural. In fast-spoken English, native speakers don't say, I have finished. They contract it. It becomes, I've finished. Or even faster, I've just done it. They almost swallow the have.
So the wrong way sounds like I have finished the report. Very stiff.
Right, that's technically correct, but it sounds very formal and unnatural. The natural way is, I finished the report, or she's already left, not she has already left.
Okay, let me try both.
Wrong way, I have just eaten. Natural way, I've just eaten. Yes, that second one, that's how real people talk. Practice those contractions and you'll immediately sound more natural. Okay, now our phrase pack. 10 phrases you can use in real life starting today. Listeners, I want you to repeat each one softly after we say it. Ready?
Ready?
Right. So let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Sorry, I can't do it again. I've already done it. This is great when someone asks you to do something you finished.
Use this when the task is complete and there's no need to repeat it. Listeners, repeat, I've already done it. Phrase 2, have you ever tried it?
Have you ever tried making pasta from scratch? I asked this a lot at dinner.
Perfect for asking about someone's life experiences. Very friendly and casual. Phrase 3, I haven't done it yet.
I haven't packed my bag yet. Give me 10 minutes.
Use this when something was expected but you haven't completed it. Yet goes at the end. Listeners, repeat, I haven't done it yet. Phrase 4, she's just left.
Oh, you just missed her. She's just left the office.
This tells someone that something happened moments ago. The just makes it feel very recent and immediate. Phrase 6, I went there last year.
I went to Istanbul last year. It was incredible.
Notice last year is a specific time, so we use past simple here, not present perfect. Listeners, say it. I went there last year. Phrase 6, have you finished yet?
Have you finished your homework yet? Dinner's ready.
This is a very natural way to check if something is done, common in homes, offices, and classrooms. Phrase 7, I've never been there.
Everyone says Tokyo is amazing, but I've never been there.
Use this to talk about places or experiences you haven't had yet in your life. Very honest and conversational. Repeat, I've never been there. Phrase 8, when did that happen?
You got a promotion? When did that happen?
This question is asking for a specific time, so it goes with past simple answers. Use it when you want to know the exact moment. Phrase 9, I've been waiting for a while.
I've been waiting for a while. Did you forget about our meeting?
This shows that something started in the past and is still continuing. Very useful in daily life. Listeners, repeat. I've been waiting for a while. Phrase 10. Did you see that?
Did you see that movie everyone's talking about? I say this one constantly.
Here, did you see feels like we're talking about a specific moment, maybe a recent film, a game, an event. It's asking about a completed action. Great for casual conversation. Quiz time. Listeners, try to answer each question before Jack does. Let's go. Question 1. Which is correct? A, I have seen him yesterday. B, I saw him yesterday.
Ooh, I think B, because yesterday is a specific time?
Correct. Yesterday is a time marker. Specific time means past simple. I saw him yesterday is right. I have seen him yesterday is a very common mistake, and we'll come back to that. Question 2. Correct the mistake in this sentence. I have went to the market this morning. Okay. I went to the market this morning because this morning is specific? Yes, exactly. And also, have went is wrong. The past participle of go is gone, not went. So even if you used present perfect, it would be I have gone. But with this morning, we use past simple. I went. Question 3. Make this more natural. I have already completed the task.
Contracted. I've already completed the task. Or in speech, I've already done it.
Beautiful. The grammar is fine in both, but the contraction sounds so much more like a real person talking. Question 4. Situation. Your friend just arrived at a restaurant where you've been waiting for 20 minutes. What do you say?
I've been waiting for a while. Where were you?
Perfect and very relatable. I've been waiting, present perfect continuous, shows the action started in the past and you're still experiencing it. Great. Question 5. Open answer. What is one thing you have never tried but want to? Use today's grammar.
I have never tried surfing, but I really want to. Honestly, terrified of waves, but it looks amazing.
Great sentence. And listeners, I want you to answer this one too. Write your answer in the comments. We read every single one. Now let's listen to a short, natural conversation. Jack and I are just two friends catching up. See if you can spot the phrases from today.
Hey, you look tired. You okay?
I've been waiting for the plumber since 9 this morning. He still hasn't shown up.
Seriously? Did you call him?
I've already called him twice. No answer.
That's frustrating. Have you ever had this problem before?
Yes, last year we had the same thing. It was a nightmare.
Have you eaten at least? You need to eat something.
I haven't eaten yet. I didn't want to leave in case he came.
Okay, I'm ordering food right now. You can't skip lunch.
You're the best. Did you see that new Thai place nearby?
I've never been there, but I've heard it's amazing. Let's try it.
Did you catch all of those? We used I've been waiting, showing a continuing situation. I've already called him, action completed, still relevant. Have you ever had this problem? Life experience question. Last year we had the same thing, specific past time, so past simple. I haven't eaten yet, expected but not done. Did you see that new place? Asking about a specific thing. And I've never been there, a life experience. All of them natural, all of them real. Let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1, using present perfect with a specific time. This is the biggest one.
Wait, like saying I have seen him yesterday?
Exactly. That's wrong. Yesterday is a specific time. You cannot use present perfect with it. The correct sentence is, I saw him yesterday. This mistake happens because learners sometimes think present perfect sounds more advanced or polished, but with a specific time word, it's actually incorrect. Mistake number 2, using the wrong past participle.
Oh, like saying I have went?
Yes, and you just made that mistake naturally. Perfect timing, Jack.
Wait, I did.
Just now you said like saying I have went, and went is the past simple form, not the past participle. It should be gone. I have gone. This happens because learners learn went first and use it everywhere. But for present perfect, always use the past participle. Gone, seen, done, eaten, taken. Mistake number 3, forgetting the contraction and natural speech. Saying I have just finished instead of I've just finished. It's not wrong, but it sounds stiff and unnatural in everyday conversation. Guided practice now. I'll give you a situation, Jack responds, and then listeners, you try too. Ready?
Ready.
Situation 1, workplace. Your colleague asks why the file isn't on their desk. You sent it 10 minutes ago.
I've already sent it. Check your email inbox.
Excellent. Recent action, still relevant, present perfect. Now you try, listeners. Situation 2, friendship. Your friend asks if you've ever been camping.
Actually, I went camping last summer with my family. It was really fun.
Good, but notice Jack added last summer, which is specific, so he switched to past simple for that part. That's advanced thinking right there. Now you try. Situation 3, back to the workplace. Your manager asks if the report is ready. I haven't finished it yet, but I'll be done by 3 o'clock. Perfect. Haven't finished it yet tells your manager it's not done, but it's coming. Very professional. Your turn, listeners. Situation 4, family. Your mom asks what you did on the weekend. I went to the market on Saturday and cooked a big dinner on Sunday. Excellent. Both Saturday and Sunday, specific times, so past simple all the way. Listeners, what did you do last weekend? Say it out loud using past simple. All right, let's recap everything before we go. Rule 1, specific time in the past, use past simple. Rule 2, experience without a specific time, use present perfect. Rule 3, something just happened and it affects now, present perfect. Rule 4, ever, never, already, yet, just, these are your present perfect signals. And in natural speech, use contractions. I've done it, not I have done it. Big takeaway, the question is not just when did it happen, it's does the time matter to what I'm saying right now? That one question will guide you every time. Before we say goodbye, here is your practice challenge. Answer this question out loud or write it in the comments. What is something you have never done but you want to do this year?
I have never gone on a solo trip, but I really want to do it this year. There, done. Maybe somewhere with good food, obviously.
Obviously. Listeners, drop your answer in the comments. We genuinely love reading them. And if this episode helped you, please
please give it a like and share it with one friend who's also learning English. It really helps us reach more learners.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. We put out new episodes every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Fluently Now. Keep practicing, keep going, and remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being understood and feeling confident. We'll see you in the next one.
See you next time, and hey, go try that present perfect today. You've got this.